Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. It's the June Bargain Bead Box. Disclaimer, I'm not doing a tutorial with this one. I am so behind on unboxings that they're just not getting done because I don't have time to do tutorials right now with every box. But I still want to go through the boxes and see what's in them with you and give you information about the beads. I'm sorry if you're looking forward to tutorials. I'm going to have tutorials still. I'm not saying I'm not doing tutorials anymore. I'm just saying right now to get caught up on boxes and stay caught up, I'm not going to be doing tutorials with the unboxings at the same time. I hope that makes sense. I'm sorry if you're disappointed. It's just been a wild ride over here. This month is Sunken Treasure. Tossing waves and lost treasure combined in this eclectic oceanic palette. A trove of patina finished bronze pieces combines with gorgeous gemstones and matte finish crystals for sea-swept feel. We love the little sea turtles too, but as you search the ocean floor, beware of the kraken. And it says, note, number 15 toggles have an antique finish, not patina finish. So sorry for the label error. They also include a list of ingredients. This month they're saying that the total approximate retail value is $80.30. Everything's labeled, so I'm not going to go in order. The first one I'm showing is 19 by 15 glazed, millimeter glazed porcelain turtle beads. Huh, I'm wearing a turtle ring. Isn't that cute? These are super cute. I love these. I love ceramic beads. These are yummy. Then we have some charms. These are 24 millimeter shell charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free, 4 pieces. Those are fun. I like the patina on them. Ooh, some lava. We have 6 millimeter white lava stone round beads, 15 inches. Very nice. I think I have 6 millimeter lava beads. I like those. 10 millimeter bronze patina bead caps, lead and cadmium free, 10 pieces. These are fun. You know, the patina and the brass is right up my alley. I love these. So cute. Those would look really nice in earrings or a bracelet. Now I want to make something. I just don't have the time. We have my next drop in a couple days. Like, it's wild over here. Matte green glass nuggets, 12 by 15 millimeter sea green, 6 inches. Those are cool. I love those. I love that shape. That would be a cool bracelet with the turtles. And possibly the bead caps. I don't know. There's a lot going on in this box. 8 millimeter Mayanite. I've never heard of that before. Dyed round beads, 15 inches. Very interesting. I think it almost looks like a jasper, but I don't know. I've never heard of this in my life, and it's a cool color. I like the color. Those actually go much better with the turtles than the nuggets. Brass ball head pins, 20 pieces. These are long, and I love me a ball head pin. Those are great for earrings. We have 1 meter 4 by 3 millimeter textured oval steel jewelry chain, lead and nickel free. Always good to have chain on hand. 6 millimeter glass window beads, coral orange, 8 inches. These look like they're dyed. They don't, it's weird because we've gotten these from them before, but they've never like looked dyed, even though they might be dyed. Oh, I gotta test them because we had a month where we had some serious issues with beads. Yeah, so it's coming off a little bit. I don't know. This is interesting. The color is coming off. I don't know if you can see that, but that's, I think we've seen some quality issues with their dyed beads lately. I don't think I'd use those unless I'd use them on earrings. Octopus Pendant, lead, nickel, cadmium free. He's a biggin. He's cool. Look at him. He's serious. I love that. Malaysia Jade 8mm dyed quartz, frosted round beads in turquoise, 14.5 inches. You know I'm gonna love this. These are yummy. They look like ice or like mints or something. I love that. I love the feel. They look cold. I love them. Gorgeous. Lava stone nugget beads with bronze plating, 15 inches, about 4 to 5 millimeters. These are really neat. These are great spacers. Love this. You know I like more rustic things, so I would definitely use that. Those will be used up sooner or later. Bronze patina ornate crescent pendants, lead and nickel free. I'm sorry, lead and cadmium free, 38mm, 2 pieces. These are going to be really cute earrings. I'm trying to think like what I would do. Even with that would be cool. Those are really nice. 10mm carnelian faceted round beads, dyed and heated, 7.5 inches, $5.99. Beautiful. I love a carnelian. Just trying to figure out how I would use. I just love these. These are gorgeous. You can hang them one below another to make a pendant too. Beautiful. Crystal matte faceted Rondell beads in teal, 16 inches, 6 by 4 millimeters. I love these. I love this box. This box is really cool. Now, even though like the colors aren't matchy-matchy, I still think they coordinate really well because of the finishes. Like we've got 3 matte beads. They're not the same color, but they all look great together. This is a beautiful like bottle glass green. Oh, I love this box. It's so pretty. Okay, well, I don't love these. Brass leverback earrings, nickel free with shell motif. Oh, well, they're not just normal leverback earrings, 18 by 10 millimeter. They had a little shell. Okay, so I don't hate them, but you know me and how I feel about earring finding being in the kit. Amazonite teardrop pendant, 35mm flower Amazonite teardrop. I feel like we just got flower Amazonite from them. This is not typically the color you see in Amazonite, so if you're just getting like one piece, so I think that's pretty interesting. Bronze patina toggle. Okay, so this is not patinaed. The clasps, 2 sets, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are very lightweight. And did you see how easy that was to bend with my just bare fingers? So interesting. You really don't typically see them like that from Bargain Bead Box. They're cute though. You know me and a toggle. We go way back. I love those things. Right, well, we didn't get I was gonna say we didn't get bicones, and I literally have them in my hand. 4mm matte crystal bicones, faceted, Capri Blue AB, 12 inches. Okay, I like these because they're matte. I actually just made a necklace using some bicones, so these are really nice ones. I am not mad at these. And look at that really bright iridescence. These are really cool. This box is making me so happy. And bronze patina textured bicone beads, 20 pieces, 8 by 7 millimeter. This is really neat. And I think this is the most like comprehensive metal we've gotten in a box. Like I love that they carried the patina theme through several different pieces. We've got the bicones, the octopus, the shells, and the bead caps. That's really cool to me. I love that we have 4 matte glass pieces. This isn't glass, this is quartz. And then I love that, oh, look, here's another patina. I forgot about that. And then I love that we have still the matte carried through these beads. This isn't completely matte. The only thing I was kind of disappointed in are these peach or orange beads because they're dyed and the dye is rubbing off. But literally everything else is gorgeous. I kind of, even though I said I don't want to make anything, I kind of want to make something. But unfortunately, I don't have the time to do it. So I appreciate you even taking your time out of your day to watch my videos. It makes me so happy that you guys can enjoy them. Let me know how you're feeling about just seeing unboxings. I know I used to do that a lot. It's going to probably be the norm for several months because I just to be able to do my day job, which is 40 plus hours a week, and all of the other projects I have, and still get videos out, this is the compromise I have to make. So during the videos, I will give you ideas, but most of the time we won't see a tutorial for now. I'm not saying that might not change. It might change if I start getting more time on my hands. But favorite things in this box. These bead caps. These glass beads, I just really love the color. I love the feel. The antique brass or bronze little guys, lava beads, and then these stone beads. But I loved everything. Oh, and the carnelian. But I loved everything. It made me happy. Did it make you happy? If you're interested in subscribing to Bargain Bead Box, though, you can save $2 off your first box by using coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in the description. So both of those help my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super duper duper cute. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hi, lovey-dovey.
Hi. You tired? It's hot, isn't it? It's not hot in the house, but it's hot outside, right? Oh, you happy Mommy's talking to you? I always talk to you. Hi, sweet baby. Hi, sweet baby. Hi, he's so cute.